Do you ever feel like life is getting too hectic and you could benefit from a little bit of calm? I've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll share with you 5 of the best books on meditation to help you find peace and tranquility. Hey everyone, here's Book Vibes, and we are here to talk to you about the power of meditation. I know that life can be stressful, and it can be hard to take a break and relax every now and then. But trust me, making time for meditation will not only help your mental health, but it will also help with stress management. And today, I'm going to show you 5 books that will open up a whole new world of meditation. So let's get started. Welcome. Our first pick is the comprehensive guide, Meditation, an In-Depth Guide, by Ian Gawler and Paul Bedson, experts in the field with over 40 years of experience. This guide is perfect for everyone, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned practitioner. Gawler and Bedson aptly demystify the practice of meditation, allowing you to cultivate a sustainable practice that can genuinely transform your life. Give it a read and experience the positive changes yourself. I'd love to share with you the stunning masterpiece, Wherever You Go, There You Are, Mindfulness Meditation in Everyday Life, by Jon Kabat-Zinn, which ranks second on my list. This book is a comprehensive guide that simplifies the essence of mindfulness and offers practical advice on incorporating it into your daily routine while brilliantly illustrating the power of living in the moment. Welcome to the third book on our list, A Path with Heart, a guide through the perils and promises of spiritual life, by Jack Kornfield. Drawing on his extensive experience as a Buddhist monk and psychologist, Kornfield takes us on an impressive journey of self-discovery and transformation, revealing the remarkable power of meditation. This powerful guide helps us navigate life's challenges with compassion and wisdom, making it a must-read for anyone seeking to unleash their full potential. We highly recommend Breath by Breath, the liberating practice of insight meditation, by Larry Rosenberg as our 4th pick. Through the transformative power of breath, Rosenberg provides a step-by-step guide to the practice of insight meditation with a focus on the Anapanasati Sutta. By using each breath as a vehicle for greater mindfulness and tranquility, this impressive book is a must-read for anyone seeking a more engaging and fulfilling meditation practice. We've saved the best for last. Get ready for Jon Kabat-Zinn's groundbreaking book, Full Catastrophe Living, using the wisdom of your body and mind to face stress, pain, and illness. This book is truly a lifesaver for anyone dealing with stress, pain, or illness. It's packed with practical techniques that help you tap into the healing power within and transform your life. So what are you waiting for? Dive into this captivating read and uncover the secrets to overcoming life's challenges. Dear friends, we are pleased to share our top 5 meditation books with you. Remember, embarking on your path to inner peace begins with a single step, and these books are exceptional companions on that journey. We found them to be enlightening and transformative, and we hope you will too. Stay tuned for more inspiring book recommendations, and please let us know your favorite meditation book by leaving a comment below. Until our next meeting, keep turning pages and uplifting your spirits.